Hey everybody, it's Ron. We've all got that brown bottle of hydrogen peroxide in our medicine cabinets, right? Well, get this, that little bottle is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning solutions. Today we're diving deep into the wild world of hydrogen peroxide and uncovering its secret superpowers. Let's do this!
Alright, let's kick things off with a bang, because who doesn't want a brighter smile, am I right? A dazzling smile can boost your confidence and make you feel like $1,000,000. So, let's dive into some easy and effective ways to achieve that. This first hack is for all my DIYers out there. If you love creating your own beauty solutions, you're going to adore this one. Forget those expensive whitening strips and treatments. We're going au natural. Why spend a fortune when you can achieve the same results with simple ingredients you probably already have at home? Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent, so it's perfect for lifting stains and brightening your pearly whites. It's safe and effective when used correctly. Now here's the magic formula. Grab a small bowl and mix together equal parts hydrogen peroxide and baking soda until you get a nice paste-like consistency. This combination works wonders because baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps scrub away surface stains. Once you've got your paste ready, grab your toothbrush and dip it right in. Make sure your toothbrush is clean and dry before you start. Brush your teeth like you normally would, making sure to really get into all the nooks and crannies. Spend a little extra time on the areas that are more stained. Do this a couple of times a week, and you'll be flashing those pearly whites with pride in no time. Consistency is key, so stick with it and watch your smile transform.
Next up, we're heading out to the garden because, yes, you read that right, hydrogen peroxide can give your plants a serious growth spurt. When you add a little bit of hydrogen peroxide to your watering can, it helps to oxygenate the soil, which means happier, healthier roots for your plants. Just add a tablespoon or two of 3% hydrogen peroxide to a gallon of water. Mix it up well and give your plants their usual watering. You can do this once a week or so, and you should start to see a noticeable difference in your plants' growth. They'll be greener, bushier, and just bursting with life.
Alright, let's be real for a second. Cleaning the kitchen is nobody's favorite chore, right? But what if I told you that hydrogen peroxide could make it a whole lot easier and faster? This stuff is like a superhero in a bottle when it comes to tackling those stubborn kitchen messes. Grab yourself a spray bottle and fill it up with equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water. Spray this magical concoction on any surface that needs some love. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic, then wipe it away with a clean cloth. You'll be amazed at how easily it cuts through grease and grime, leaving your kitchen sparkling clean.
Chapter 4. Banishing laundry stains like a boss. Let's face it, folks, stains are just a fact of life. But before you toss that stained shirt in the donate pile, hold on a second. Hydrogen peroxide might just be able to salvage your favorite garment. This stuff is a stain-fighting superhero, especially for those tough, set-in stains that just won't quit. Pour a small amount of hydrogen peroxide directly onto the stain, making sure to saturate it completely. Now let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After it's had time to work its magic, toss your clothes in the wash as usual. Once the wash cycle is complete, you'll be amazed at how those stubborn stains have vanished.
Chapter 5. Mold and mildew. Don't stand a chance. Alright, let's talk about mold and mildew for a second. The good news is hydrogen peroxide is like kryptonite to mold and mildew. It's a powerful disinfectant that can kill those nasty spores on contact, preventing them from spreading and wreaking havoc in your home. Pour some hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and generously spritz the affected areas. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to really do its job. After it's had time to do its thing, wipe away the area with a damp cloth. Your home will be cleaner, healthier, and smelling fresh in no time.
Chapter 6. Fruit and Veggie Spa Day. Okay, let's shift gears from cleaning to something we all love, food. Specifically, fresh, delicious fruits and veggies. But here's the thing. Those shiny apples and crisp lettuce leaves might be harboring some unwelcome guests like dirt, bacteria, and even pesticide residue. Fill up your sink or a large bowl with cold water. Then add about a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide. Toss in your fruits and veggies and let them soak in this bubbly bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. After their spa treatment, give your fruits and veggies a good rinse under cold running water to remove any lingering traces of hydrogen peroxide. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your clean, sparkling produce.
Alright, let's talk about toothbrushes for a second. We use them every day to clean our pearly whites, but when was the last time you gave your toothbrush a good cleaning? Hydrogen peroxide is here to rescue your toothbrush from a life of grime. It's a powerful disinfectant that can kill those nasty bacteria. Grab a small cup or glass and fill it up with enough hydrogen peroxide to submerge the bristles of your toothbrush. Drop your toothbrush in, bristle side down, and let it soak for about 30 minutes. After its bath, give your toothbrush a good rinse under running water. Your toothbrush is now squeaky clean and ready to continue its mission of keeping your smile sparkling.
Chapter 8. Creating an Underwater Paradise. For all my fish-loving friends out there, this one's for you. Keeping an aquarium clean and healthy is essential for the well-being of your finned friends. And guess what? Hydrogen peroxide can be a valuable tool in your aquarium maintenance arsenal. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide per gallon of aquarium water. Use a syringe or turkey baster to carefully target the affected areas, avoiding direct contact with your fish and plants. The hydrogen peroxide will help to break down the algae, making it easier to remove. With a little care and attention, you can use hydrogen peroxide to create a healthy and thriving underwater paradise for your aquatic companions.
Chapter 9. Pet accidents? No problem. Let's face it, folks, accidents happen, especially when you share your home with furry, four-legged friends. Whether it's a playful puppy or a curious kitten, mishaps are bound to occur. Whether it's a pet stain on the carpet or a lingering odor that just won't quit, hydrogen peroxide can be a lifesaver for pet owners. It's a simple, effective solution that can tackle even the toughest pet-related messes. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water in a spray bottle. This easy-to-make solution is both powerful and gentle, making it perfect for use around your beloved pets. Saturate the stained area with the solution, making sure to really work it into the fibers. The key is to ensure the solution penetrates deep into the carpet to break down the stain. Let the solution sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then blot it up with a clean, dry cloth. This waiting period allows the hydrogen peroxide to do its magic, lifting the stain from the carpet fibers. You might need to repeat this process a few times for stubborn stains, but with a little patience, you'll be amazed at how hydrogen peroxide can banish those unsightly blemishes. Persistence is key, and soon your carpet will look as good as new. And the best part? It's safe for pets and won't leave behind any harmful residue. So you can rest easy knowing your furry friends are safe while your home stays clean and fresh.
Chapter 10. Earwax. Be gone. Alright folks, let's talk about earwax. It's something we all have, but not everyone knows how to deal with it properly. While earwax is a natural and essential part of our body's defense system, sometimes it can build up and cause discomfort or even hearing problems. This can be particularly troublesome if it leads to temporary hearing loss or infections. Did you know that hydrogen peroxide can be a safe and effective way to soften and remove excess earwax? It's true. This common household item can be a game changer for ear hygiene. To use it, simply mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water in a small bowl. This diluted solution is gentle enough for your ears but strong enough to break down the wax. Tilt your head to the side and use a dropper to gently place a few drops of the solution into your ear canal. Be careful not to overfill. Just a few drops will do the trick. Let the solution sit in your ear for a few minutes. This allows the hydrogen peroxide to work its magic, breaking down the earwax. Then, tilt your head to the other side and let the solution drain out onto a tissue. You can repeat this process a few times a week as needed to keep your ears clean and healthy. Remember, maintaining ear hygiene is crucial for overall ear health and can prevent many common ear issues. Outro hydrogen peroxide, your new best friend. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 amazing uses for hydrogen peroxide that you probably never knew about. From whitening your teeth to banishing stains to keeping your home sparkling clean, this versatile liquid is a true miracle worker. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep on experimenting.